Have you ever seen rice dance? No, really. Today we'll make tiny rice grains jump, shake, and move just by using sound. But how is that possible? Watch closely and find out. Before we start, what do you think makes the rice move? Tell us in the comments. Let's gather everything we need for this fun experiment. You'll need a large bowl or container, plastic wrap or a balloon to stretch over the bowl, rice grains or salt, and a speaker or phone playing loud music. That's it. Just 4 simple things. Now let's set it up. Pause the video and grab your materials so you can follow along. First, take your bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Make sure it's stretched super tight. If you're using a balloon, cut the top and stretch it over the bowl. Make sure it's smooth and has no wrinkles. You want it just like a drum. Now grab a small handful of rice and sprinkle it gently on top of the plastic wrap. Spread it out so it covers the surface. What do you think will happen when we play music? Now comes the fun part. Take your speaker or phone and place it right next to the bowl. Now let's turn up the music. Whoa, look at it dance. But why is this happening? Here's what's happening. The speaker creates sound waves. These waves travel through the air and hit the plastic wrap, making it vibrate. Those vibrations push and shake the rice, making it dance. This is called energy transfer. Did you know sound is actually invisible waves moving through the air? Now let's experiment. What happens if we use a different sound? Try different songs and see what happens. Now let's turn this into a challenge. See if you can guess which sounds will make the rice jump the highest. Which one do you think will work best? Comment your guess below. This was so much fun! We learned that sound is powerful. What other objects do you think would dance to sound? Try different things and see what works. Hit like if you had fun and subscribe for more amazing science experiments. See you next time!